Welcome back to Askademic, beginner level English course, section 4. This ship is huge. Remember, a ship is a boat, a very big boat. Let's get started. In each box, there are two things. Which is big and which is small? Ship, big. Boat, small. City, big. Village, small. Tree, big. Flower, small. Tiger, big. Hello. Cat, small. Lake, small. Sea, big. Tent, small. Stadium, big. Very good. These are words from the reading article. Draw lines to connect each word to its definition. Huge, very big. Gym, a place where you play sport. Ballroom, a place where you dance. Dining room, a place where you eat. Bridge, where the captain drives the ship. Pool, a place where you swim. Deck, the floor of the ship. Luxurious, very good, high quality. Bingo, a game. Great job. Reading. The Liberty is a cruise ship. Many people go on the Liberty for their holidays. The cruise ship travels around the Caribbean Sea. The captain of the Liberty is Claus Newman. He is from Germany. Read his description of the Liberty and everything you can find on the ship. I work on the Liberty. This ship is huge. She is a fantastic ship. We travel to places like Barbados and Jamaica with thousands of tourists. Vacations on this ship are expensive. This place is called the bridge. I control the whole ship from here. There is one bridge on every ship. There is a big window. From this window, I can see everything. Look! There are 3 other ships in the harbor today. 2 oil ships and another cruise ship. There are 2 swimming pools on the Liberty. There is one on deck G, and it's very warm. There is also one on deck H, and this pool is very cold. Now we are on deck F, and this deck is where we have all the wonderful things for the tourists. There are 2 gyms. Also, there is one bingo hall. The bingo hall is full every evening. Also, there is a big cinema with the latest Hollywood movies. There is one ballroom over there. It's very luxurious. Those lights are from Vienna. They are 200 years old. Now, we are in the dining room. There are 3 dining rooms on the Liberty because there are more than 3,000 people who want to eat. Good reading. Look at Captain Newman's description in section C again. Find all examples of the number 1 and all examples of other numbers. Underline them. Do we use there is or there are before number 1? Which do we use before other numbers? Write some examples here. Let's try. One, there is one bridge. 3, there are 3 other ships. 2, there are 2 swimming pools. 1, there is one on deck G. 1, there is also one on deck H. 2, there are 2 gyms. 1, there is one bingo hall. 1, there is one ballroom. 3, there are 3 dining rooms. 3,000, there are more than 3,000 people who want to eat. Good work. Great job. Work with someone to answer these questions. Is there a cinema on the Liberty? How many gyms are there on the Liberty? How many swimming pools are there on the Liberty? Is the Liberty an expensive ship? How old are the lights from Vienna? How many passengers are there on the ship? Good job. Let's play a game. Look around the room for 1 minute. What is in the room? How many chairs are there? How many tables? Is there a bookshelf? Is there a lamp? If you'd like, you can write sentences in your notebook. Have you been using your notebook? What did you do today? Who did you meet? Write about it. Very good. You're doing great. Next is section 5. See you soon.